Are you guys ready? I am going to blow your mind. Today we're going to talk about tongues. So something you probably wish you never knew is that we all have little hairs growing on our tongue. They're called papillae, and they grow depending on the conditions. If you have conditions that are right, you could end up with a black hairy tongue. Did you know that was even a thing? I bet you didn't. So I don't normally see black hairy tongues at work on a daily basis, but lately I've seen heaps. If the conditions are right, the papillae will grow and you end up with a hairy tongue. So what makes the conditions right? Well, if you're fasting, maybe you're having some new diet medication, or you're doing the whole fasting thing where it's cool to not eat for several hours in a day. If you're smoking, if you have medication that might dry out your mouth, all these things can contribute to having a black hairy tongue, or just a hairy tongue, which might be a bit yellow. So what do we do to treat it? It's pretty simple actually. I've got word from an oral pathologist that the best way to treat it is to have a piece of pineapple once a day for 7 days. 7 days, your tongue will go back to nice and pink. So pineapple has salicylic acid in it, and it will just help slough all the little hairs. And I mean, have you had pineapple anyway? When you have too much pineapple, your tongue actually starts hurting. Okay, so is your mind blown? So you're all probably looking in the mirror, checking your tongues right now. If it's looking a bit not pink, just have some pineapple and it'll all go back to normal. Happy days.